This video is going to show you how to use the Living by Chemistry electron dot molecule builder to create some molecules that we've been working on. So let's start in the explore mode. I can just drag a carbon in here. Let's make our CH4 to begin with, and we would drag in four hydrogens and one carbon, and then you can rearrange these by rotating them, and there's a bond. Remember, a bond is two shared electrons, so carbon sharing one, hydrogen sharing one, end up with two shared electrons there. That carbon holds two electrons. And there's some more. We can rotate ones a little more. Put that up. And here are CH4, where each hydrogen has two shared electrons around it, and the carbon has 8. Okay, once you're done with that, we can clear that out, and let's go over to the practice mode. And it's going to ask here to make some molecules, and you can check and see if you've made them correctly. Let's start with 2H2, and I know I need 2 carbons, but if I put 2 of the carbons we're using in here and link them together, then I need 6 hydrogens on it, so that's not going to work. We need to look for a different type of carbon bonding. So if we click here and go to carbon, you'll see all the different ways carbon can bond. So here's a carbon that can bond 3 electrons. So if I take these out here, there's my C2. Now I H2 as well. And go back up here, we'll go to all elements. I can bond an H in here. And I can bond an H in here. Let's rotate, make it fit. C2H2, if I look at it quickly, hydro electrons it's sharing. The other one has 2 electrons, and this carbon has 6 plus 2, and this carbon has 6 plus 2. So this we would call a triple bond between these 2 carbons, because they're each sharing 3 electrons. And we can check here and see if you got it right. And yes, the structure is possible. So that is what we're looking at here. Let's see show bonds here. If we click that, this is sort of the more traditional way we show it, with just the lines instead of the dots. So you can do either way. Generally, we're going to want to do the dots just as a reminder that those bonds are 3 electrons.